All right, and we're back again in the dungeon for another quick unboxing. All right, let's see. So you guys, if you watched the last video, you'll know what this is. Okay, very good. It is Vance & Hines Fuelpack number 4 for the Sport Glide. I ended up getting this cheapest I could find on the web. I will post a link. It'll be in the description if anybody else is interested in where I got it. I got it for $3.89 shipped. And that's like the absolute best that you can find available without any kind of coupon, which there was nothing out there for any of the websites. So, as you know, I put the Cobra 909. The Arlen Ness Big Sucker Touring plate with filter and touring cover. So flowing that much air and exhaust now, we definitely needed a tuner. So the FP4 is much smaller than the Fuelpack 3. I have a Fuelpack 3 on my Street Glide. I also had a Fuelpack 3 on my Switchback. So in this box, like thin, I mean it's tiny. The box for the FP3 is probably about that big. So these are supposed to be much smaller now, and does a little bit more than a Fuelpack 3 does. So we'll see. But my intent is to load a tune, probably reach out to Vance & Hines for something that I can build on and auto-tune on. So hopefully there's something canned that I can work with. If not, I'll reach out to the Vance & Hines guys and have them work something up for me with the package I have. So, all right. That's it for now. I guess I will see you guys in the next video, which will probably be installation of this and show you how to hook it up and go from there. All right. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video.